Hey everyone, so is AnyDesk giving you login problems? Maybe you can't sign in, the app keeps showing errors, or your credentials aren't being accepted. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you need to access your remote sessions quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix AnyDesk login problems in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. AnyDesk requires a reliable connection to authenticate your account, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network. Next, double-check your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are correct and that you're using the right AnyDesk account. Restart the AnyDesk app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary login issues. Sometimes corrupted cache or app data causes login problems. Clear AnyDesk cache or reinstall the app to refresh login data. Your firewall or antivirus may block AnyDesk from connecting to its servers. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your security software. If you still can't log in, reset your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen and follow the instructions. And that's it. Most AnyDesk login problems can be fixed by checking your connection, verifying credentials, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.